So, and also the nice feature of the Quizlet is live, Quizlet Live. Basically, you go to your study stats, any study stats that you have, for example, irregular verbs. And at the last block, you can see live. So you press on the live, and here you can see, here's the free version, and here is the version for teachers. So, for example, let's use free version, create a game. We need at least 4 students in order to use it. So basically, they go on their devices. It could be tablets, it could be phones, and they should put that code that you just saw on your screens. Also, they can just screen the QR code. It would be enough to be in them. They're supposed to create their nicknames, and that's it. So basically, it could be 4, 5, 2 teams, and then they will cooperate with each other in order to find the solutions and the right questions. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show it right now because I don't have 4 students. It's quite late in my city. However, you can try it with any models. For example, you just learned irregular verbs. And as I did before, I put the first form of irregular verb and the second form. And my students really like this Quizlet Live. They are begging for playing with it. They think it's a game. However, I can see how they motivate of learning the words that I put in Quizlet to be able to win in the classroom. So on a distance, I can see who came. For example, here is the Alex, and he's the member. So let's just double check. Studied. So I can see how many times did he learn adjectives or the topic my body, what did he do? And if I press on my body, for example, okay, I can see right here some information as well. Alright, or I go to Anna, another my student. He's the member, or let's just check right here. Friends member. And here, for example, what studied. Okay. Can see that he did feelings today. And I can see the progress, 52%, 64%. So which gives me an opportunity to see what kind of words we need to practice more in the classroom. And if I go to the set, I can click View Classroom Progress. So here I can see my students, and here you can see the progress, what they did, how many times. So I can choose past 2 weeks, or past day, or past month, or an example, past year. Okay, and here I can see all my classes that I have created for my students. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.